Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this new series, we dive deep into .NET MAUI, Microsoft's powerful cross-platform framework. Today, we will build your first app and understand the MAUI architecture. .NET MAUI lets you build apps for desktop and mobile using one code base. It is the successor to Xamarin Forms and it uses .NET and XAML to build native UIs. .NET MAUI uses handlers to connect your C# code and XAML UI with the native controls of each platform. It is modular, fast, and native. To get started, install the .NET MAUI workload in Visual Studio. On Windows, you can target Windows and Android. For iOS and Mac OS, a Mac is required. Let us create our first app. Choose the .NET MAUI app template, name it, select your platforms, and create the project. Here is a quick look at the solution structure. Main page contains the app UI, platforms folder has per platform config, and resources hold your styles and assets. This XAML defines a simple page with a label and a button. The layout used is vertical stack layout. Think of it as a column. The button click event increments a counter and updates the button text. This is your typical UI logic interaction. Now let us run the app. Select your emulator and click the run button. You should see your label and button working in the Android app. .NET MAUI also supports Windows as a target. Let us try running the same app as a native Windows desktop application. With the .NET MAUI, your UI and logic stay in sync across all platforms. You can still add per platform customization when needed. Visual Studio supports hot reload for MAUI apps. You can update XAML or C# code and instantly see the results without restarting the app. For real-world apps, use MVVM to separate UI and logic. .NET MAUI supports MVVM out of the box and integrates easily with the DI and services. To summarize, MAUI is your future-ready UI platform. One project can run on Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS with the full power of .NET. In part 2, we will dive into navigation, how to move between pages, pass data, and structure your app using Shell. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to stay updated with the full .NET MAUI series. You will find full code and steps in the description.